Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did get a request for EYEG Pharmaceuticals, or EYEG. Immediately off the top, I gotta tell you guys, man. I gotta really recommend that you guys stop investing in these penny stocks, these really small market caps. It's one of my biggest pet peeves, to see a lot of my Patreons. I mean, I haven't had my Patreon page for that long, right? But not pet peeve. I want to say it upsets me because I don't know if these people, I'm pretty sure these people are new traders, and the request that I got on my Patreon for this one, it's I don't like seeing my subscribers and just in general people getting into trades like this, and I know that TA would definitely, at least basic TA would let them know, hey, this is not a good this is not a good ticker at all. Like the chart doesn't look good at all, and I haven't even done any actual analysis on it, right? So I mean, it's been trailing down ever since 16, 14, and I don't have to do too much TA on this to let you know that it's gonna go all the way down. I mean, it broke support, right? It broke support at 232. It broke support at 313. I don't really have to go into this too much to let you guys know that this is gonna still keep dropping for a while. Generally what I do in a situation like this is I just get the monthly chart, look at the actual, from previous lows. Actually, I'd even say from the actual lowest lows, because it actually just broke the lowest lows, and you have a full monthly candle created below that. So immediately right now I can tell you guys that this is going to keep going down. I mean, it's not going to go down to -$4, right? Because the lowest that it can go is obviously $0. You can't go negative. But it's creating it's going to close almost a full monthly candle under previous all-time lows. That's not good at all. Like I said, I can maybe see this going down to, let me see. I mean, this thing might get delisted. I mean, the next stop for this is $0, right? I mean, what was the actual? What are these actual drops going for? 680 down to 328, 8 down to 1. So these are big drops, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. These are really big drops on every single monthly chart. And the fact that and the fact that it's consistently gradually raising like this, you guys see on the MACD how you have bigger, stronger bearish candles like this. One's bigger than the one before, and there you have another bigger candle that's going to be created, for the month of August, right? So the candle that we're going to close in about 7 hours, it's basically just letting me know that this is going to continue its downward trajectory. I mean, it might recover a little bit, just because I saw the weekly is going, is actually starting to trade a little bit on the bullish side. So actually it's going to close a bullish week in around 3 days or so, right? But that's if we actually close a bullish week. I mean, the most that I can see this ticker doing is possibly retesting the lows of $3.09. But I think ultimately it's gonna drop right back to 149. So I mean, if you're holding this position, I don't know what the average person, or I don't know what your, for this specific person, I don't know what your average buy-in is. But if we do touch, $3 at any point in the next month or two, I'd say completely get out of your position, 100%. Who cares if you take a loss? Who cares if, there's, I don't know if there's news, right? I don't know if the fundamentals of this company, I don't know what can happen to this company, but, I'd say get out of this position. Who cares if you're going to take a loss? There's a small chance that it goes back up to $3 just because the weekly is bullish, or it might close bullish. But I say if this touches or gets near $3 in the next month or two, I say get out of your position 100%. because I can easily see this dropping back to these same levels of $1.69 or lower than that by the end of the year. So, you know, it sucks when I have to do these TAs for my Patreons, and you know, I see a chart like this where, you know, if someone would have told me, hey, what do you think about this, I would have been like, you know what, throw your money on Amazon, throw your money in Apple, throw your money in Microsoft. You'd be making so much more money consistently than, you know, than possibly losing money, right? Because the point of trading at worst is break even, right? What you want to do minimum is break even. What you don't want to do is lose any money, because that's when it starts getting harder to trade, because you have now if you lose money, you have less money to trade with. You have a higher percentage that you actually have to profit to make your money back, and it's one of those things where I'm like, you got to start from scratch all over again. So again, if I can help you guys out, if you guys have a weird ticker like this, you know, always look at the monthly chart, right? Look at the yearly, look at the monthly, whatever. Look at the bigger picture. Where's the actual, you know, trajectory of every single thing that you open, right? If you're planning on investing in some company, right? Any ticker, really. Look at the bigger chart. Never put your, I don't care what you hear about the news, I don't care about anything. Never invest in a chart where you have this huge trending low from when it was originally trading at what, like $200 all the way down to where it is now. Never. I would never in a million years recommend this chart to anybody. Your money can go so much longer and so much further, you know, investing just in a regular solid company like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, even Tesla, right? So again, you know, unfortunately, this, you know, I do see it going all the way back down to 169 or where it is, but it can definitely run to $3 to $3 in the next month or two. And I say, if it does that, I'd recommend highly to take everything out of your position and put it into somewhere where it can actually grow. So have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.